Hey guys, this is Dorian here with another Adobe tutorial from Adobe Class, and today I'm going to show you how to eliminate a hum using Adobe Audition. You can be for CC, Adobe Creative Suite, or 14 or 18, any version. Most function remains the same. I did a video and using a microphone that for some reason it records the hum with it. So today I'm going to show you how to take that hum out of the video. Let me just pull up a clip for you. It is right here. I was doing a tutorial and for some reason the hum keeps coming. You will listen to it. 1, 2, 3 test microphone. 1, 2, 3 test sound. 1, 2, 3 test sound. 1, 2, 3 test sound. And you hear that hum in the background. So what I do first, I try to figure out where the hum is coming from in the audio clip. It's with a nice clean area without the sound, it's different in this area. That's the hum. And this area is a portion with the sound. Test microphone. 1, 2. When I'm doing the hum elimination, I highlight the area that I can get the hum from for at least 1 second, and then you go to effects, noise reduction, and screen and capture noise print. It's going to say current audio selection capture and load as the print used for the next time. You just tell it okay. So now you capture that, and now you go back to effects, noise reduction process. And now if you highlight the area that you want to as a preview to test to see how it sounds, you have these options of how much noise do you want to take out and how much you want to be reduced by. So you can give it a preview. 1, 2, 3 test microphone. 1, 2, 3 test. After it passes sound. 1, 2, 3 test sound. Not 1, 2, 3 test sound. I can play it again for you to hear again. You can hear this area up here has the reduction, and the area that's not highlighted does not have the reduction. So you can play it again just for you. 1, 2, 3 test microphone. 1, 2, 3 test sound. So we know that's the amount that we want. So we can just select entire file, and it highlights everything, and just hit apply. And now we can see majority of your noise has disappeared. Let me play back for you. 1, 2, 3 test microphone. 1, 2, 3 test sound. 1, 2, 3 test sound. 1, 2, 3 test sound. So guys, I hope this helps. Again, this is Dorian with another tutorial for how to eliminate hum with Adobe Audition. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like so we can give you more tutorials on Adobe Class.